Hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of May is our founder, Becky, and she has created this lovely poem that has products listed in it to help us put together our May kit. And that poem is listed over at our Facebook group site, which I will have the link listed below. Now we're going to take a look at page kit number 3, which I have 3 selfies of my husband and I, all taken in January of 2021. Now let's take a look at some of the papers I have. This paper right there, I created. Then we have the scrap paper here from Maggie Holmes' Flourish collection. Then this blue with off-white polka dots is from Cocoa Vanilla Happiness collection. Next, we have a 12 by 12 pattern paper from Pink Fresh Studio, the Blahs collection, and that is a gray background with white polka dots going horizontally across. Then we have this wood grain paper from a memory place called Rustic Dreams. We have this 12 by 12 black with off-white diagonal stripe from Close to My Heart from the May-June Mix In pattern paper collection. Then we have this flower pattern paper from Crepe Paper, the Marigold collection. Next, I'm going to show you my embellishments, which will include some stickers from various collections. I have some acrylic pieces from Close to My Heart. I have a wood veneer heart, a wood veneer arrow with a heart on it. I have some puffy stickers from an old Felicity Jane collection. I have this fabric button that has a flower print on it. I'm going to scoop that all over to the side, and then I'm going to show you the puffy phrases from the Cocoa Vanilla Unforgettable collection. And spoil alert, I do not use any of those on my layout. My foundation layer will be the 12 by 12 wood grain pattern paper. Then I took the Pink Fresh Studio gray background with the white polka dots and cut a 4.5 by 12 inch strip, and then I cut a 1/2 inch strip. Next, I'm going to use my Creative Memory Dolly border punch and punch out a border from the Close to My Heart May-June Mix In pattern paper, which, as you can tell, is a black background with an off-white diagonal stripe. I tuck that under that top strip of paper that's 4.5 inches by 12, but it doesn't stay there. It finds its permanent home in the lower half of the layout, the bottom portion. I'm going to tuck it under there. Right now you see me that I am cutting about 1 3/4 inches, but I even trim it down more so it tucks under that 1/2 inch strip at the bottom of this layout. Then there is a zip strip from the Mix In pattern paper that is black with diagonal, and I place that under my photograph. Then I use the Crepe Paper black flower print on off-white background to mat all my photographs. Remember, that's from the Marigold collection. Now I'm going to add a cluster of 3 stickers above my smaller photographs next to the larger photograph to the left. The one that I'm inking says Our Crazy Beautiful Life. I'm going to layer on top of that a white puffy sticker that says My One and Only, and then the clear black one to the left of that says Have to Share This. Then that button and that other phrase I take away. I decide I don't want to cluster there, but I do use them on my layout. I am using the Creative Memories circle die cutting system to draw some half moon circles underneath my photographs, as you can tell. Then next, I am going to use my Creative Memories journal pen, but the thick side of it. I don't even know what number it would be, maybe an 8 or a 10. And I am going to leave breaks between my half moon lines where I am going to place my acrylic flowers and the little tiny puffy heart stickers from an old Felicity Jane collection. I create a cluster in the lower right-hand corner, and it has that fishtail tab there. I have a gray bow, then I have a white enamel dot, and then I'm going to add 2 more Felicity Jane heart puffy stickers there, and then I'm going to add a silver enamel dot. Now I move to my title, which just ends up being the abbreviation for January, which goes above the photograph, and then I put the year over there to the left of my word clusters, to the right of those word clusters, and it fills in that little gap. And then that fabric button with the pattern flowers on it gets moved over by January. Then I come in and I add 3 more of the silver enamel dots to the very right of the photograph, the edge here. You're going to see me add them right now. And that satisfies me there at the moment. And then I feel like there's still something missing over there. And I bring in a round sticker that says together. And then I will add another acrylic piece above those word phrases, which is like a half arrow, like a half moon arrow. And it just fills in all those gaps. I'm very happy. And then I add some splatters using the Dana Wakley gloss spray in white. And I add them above those word clusters. And then right at the last edge of my half moon circles, I splatter all the way down to the cluster in the lower right-hand corner. My layout's complete. The close-up shots are coming up. Before I forget it, be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. I will have their links listed below in the description box. Give us a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost you a thing, and then hit that notification button so you're notified every time that we post, because we don't only post for Mini Kit Monday, we post for other collaborations, or we just post for the fun of it. Also, be sure to go be a member of our Facebook group site. Again, I have that link listed below in the description box. I appreciate you all. Thanks for stopping by and watching my videos. But most of all, get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way, and we will see you next time. Bye.